In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Jira and find your project ID quickly and efficiently. This might sound simple, but knowing how to locate your project ID is crucial for many management tasks in Jira. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you've logged into your Jira account. This is your starting point, and it's essential because Jira is where all your project management takes place. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Jira website. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your login details to access your account. After you've successfully logged into Jira, you'll find yourself on the home page or dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's filled with handy shortcuts and quick links to your recent projects and tasks. However, today our focus is on locating your project ID, so let's move on to the next step. Now navigate to the project you're interested in. You might have several projects listed on your dashboard, especially if you're managing multiple tasks. If you don't see your project immediately, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of your project. Once you've located it, click on the project name to open it. This brings us to the crucial part, finding your project ID. The project ID is located in the URL of your project page. This might not be very obvious right away, but don't worry, it's easy to find once you know where to look. When you open your project, take a glance at the URL at the top of your browser. You'll see a series of numbers or a specific identifier string right there in the URL. This set of characters is your unique project ID. Identifying your project ID is important, especially when you are integrating Jira with other tools or performing specific administrative tasks. In many cases, external integrations require you to input this ID to fetch project-specific data. So now knowing how to find it can save you a lot of time and headache in the future. Once you've successfully found your project ID, give yourself a pat on the back. You've just learned something that will streamline your interaction with Jira significantly. You don't need to memorize the ID, just knowing where and how to find it whenever you need is the vital takeaway. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Jira to find your project ID. I hope you found this guide helpful and you'll have a smoother experience managing your projects in Jira. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to return for more tips and guides on navigating various tools. Have a great day managing your projects.